title of the song is Judah by Dosinoyekon, produced by Promax Records. The first one was between Mi to La, around F sharp major, and the second scale was around A major. Okay, so let's go. I go with my Judah. So we just married back to La. Okay, what did I play? On D, La, Ti, Re, Mi. Then the moment you get to Mi, you just begin to see Mi as a major. That's why it was called F sharp major. So we are now on F sharp. We play Ti, Do, Mi, Sa, Ti, Do, Mi, Sa. Then La, Ti. Then you just connect it back to D. So we are back. Okay, now the second scale is around A major. We are still on D, don't forget, don't be confused. I'm just trying to break it down. The notes of the scale is So, Fi, Fa, Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi, So, Do, Mi. The scale is over. Then we'll let it back. Re, Do, La, So, Fa, back to D. Then